18 divided parenthesis 3 plus 6 divided 2 times 1. How do we solve this? So as per the order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is called PEMDAS. You can also follow PEMDAS, which is parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So you can see that in PEMDAS, multiplication is written first and then we have division, while in PEMDAS division is written first, then we have multiplication. So if you follow just the letters of both of these mnemonics, then in PEMDAS you will do multiplication first and in PEMDAS you will do division first, then you will get different answer. So to rule out any confusion, multiplication, division, they are given equal priority. That means you have to solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Either you follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS. You see, multiplication and division, they are reciprocal actions. So if you divide 5 times 5 divided by 2, it is also equals to 5 times 1 upon 2. So division gets converted into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. So division is reciprocal of multiplication and vice versa. For example, if you have to write 5 times 2, you can also write it as 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So when you convert division into multiplication, it will be 5 times 2. And since they are reciprocal actions, they are given equal priority and we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So first we will solve parenthesis, and within parenthesis also, because you see here within parenthesis we have different operations. We have addition, division, multiplication. So within parenthesis also you have to follow this order. Remember that this left to right rule just works for division and multiplication. You cannot start solving from left to right from the beginning, from here, because addition will always come after multiplication or division. So we cannot just start solving from here. Many will do like this: 18 divided 6 plus 3 is 9, then divided by 2, 2 times 1 is 2, and then 18 divided 9 divided 2. 18 divided by 9 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 will be 1. In that case 1 will be the answer. But this is not how it is done. So first what we will have to do? First we will solve multiplication, division and see which operation is coming first from left to right, leaving this addition because it will be done after division or multiplication. So from left to right we have division first. So it will be 18 divided 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So write 3, then times 1. Now before addition you have to do multiplication, so it will be 18 divided 3 plus 3 times 1 is 3. Now 18 divided 3 plus 3 is 6 and 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 3 will be your answer and not 1. So what is your answer? Let me know in the comment section.